Welcome back to Two Pretty Princesses, and my name is Casali. And as you can see in the video, it's not in this video because she's playing with her Barbies. Okay, anyway. Okay. Today I'm gonna be doing two things. I'm going to be doing well, this is part 1 and 2. It's about two different things. It's two different things. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah. And so yeah. Okay, anyway, so back to the video. And part 1 is I'm going to be showing you my slime. That my friend, she made it for me. I didn't tell her to make it, so she just made it because today she brought 25 slimes in 2 book bags, because one with big containers and the other book bag is for the little containers. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, and then for part 2, I'm going to give you a tour of my house because that was from the comments I got. Well, not from comments. I'm sorry, guys. I lie about those comments. I just really like YouTube, and I just really like YouTube. I lie about it. I lie about comments. People don't like me. People don't like me on YouTube. It's true. People don't like Two Pretty Princesses is going to be gone because people don't like me. My mom said if I don't get subscribers or comment down below for more videos or reviews or any of that, I need to stop being in YouTube because none of you guys like Two Pretty Princesses. So yeah. Anyway, so I have a new thing that I'm going to be posting videos Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and that's it. Sunday and Monday, no, because Monday I have cheer practice and Wednesday, but the little season is done for cheerleading. I mean, is there purple on me? So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing my slime that my friend gave me. Let's get on it. Let's get on to the slime. Okay, guys, so here is the slime. I'm gonna open it and make a big. Anyway, so you're gonna see the bottom. So this is the bottom. You see that hole and then that glitter right there. Okay, so we're going to open it, and I put which. You guys can't see it. Right there. W-I-S-H. Let's open it, and if it makes a crack, I'm sorry. This container is really old. That's what my friend told me. Because she said she got these new containers yesterday. Or this side. And these were the ones that she put in the bag for the big containers. So this is how the slime looks. It was pink, but we mixed it up. I'll show you. Like that. I shouldn't have done the video like this, but it's okay. And she told me all the ingredients. I thought I was gonna make a video of this. Oh my god, it's so satisfying. Comment down below if you think slime is so satisfying. Anyway, so why did I mess this up? Okay, I'm gonna do bubble thing. This is the first slime. I mean, the first slime. I can't do bubbles in these little holes in them. Okay, now we're gonna take it out. Let's go back to my face. We're gonna take it out, and the cool part is it makes bubbles, like a lot of bubbles. So the foam falls. I'm sorry. There. So I'm gonna show you, and it doesn't show my face. Sorry, I just want you guys to see these bubbles I can do. And I don't think you guys can see them, but in school, in school, you know what I did? My teacher just allowed slime in a class, but I put slime in my desk. I started playing with the slime, and then my principal came in, and I was still playing with it, so I didn't know he was in. He saw me, and he was like, "Who's slime?" And then yesterday, which was Monday, what he did was he saw my friend in school playing with her slime. And he said, put the slime away or you get detention for 2 weeks. And I'm like, what the heck? And then I'm like, I don't care what that principal says. I'm going to do whatever I want. But I'm like, oh my God, I'm not listening to him. I don't want to get detention for 2 weeks. So what I did was my principal wasn't going in the class. But you know what I was doing? You know what I was doing? I was playing with the slime. I made huge, like 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 huge, 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 huge. Wait, what? Huge, huge, huge. Oh my God, huge, huge, huge. Like huge, huge, huge bubbles. Okay, anyway, let's get back to the bubbles. So, yeah. Okay, people know how to do this on YouTube, but I do the big ones because this one is a big slime. Like today in school, my friend brought it, and it was like literally up to here. It's huge, 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 huge. There, so I'm gonna make the bubble. Slime never works for bubbles. Oh my God, you heard it? And there's also a farted one too. But when we look, come on! Okay, wait, so this side. No, this side no. Oh my God, it made a bubble! Did you see it? I think I need to go closer to you guys. Okay. So like that. Okay, wait guys, I'm sorry. I'll just put it at my feet. Like that. Okay, let's see it makes that. Okay. So. Oh my God, you see that? Oh my God, guys, this is so satisfying. I'm gonna do it 3 times. 2 more times. Well, I almost did it. I'm gonna. You hear that? Even the glitter crunches. You hear that? Okay. Okay. 2 more times. Wait. But like, you see those bubbles? The glitter? The bubbles. They pop out from nowhere. Okay. So there's no bubbles here. Oh wait, yes there's. See if we can make it closer. There. Anyway, so. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. There we go. Is it showing the slime, guys? Comment down below. I'll be showing the slime. I can't really see it. Okay, now I can see it. Okay. It's not gonna work, so I'm gonna do it 2 more times. Oh yeah, this one was my fault. The one I just did. Comment down below. What grade are you in? Oh my God! Did you guys hear that? That was like a fart noise. Okay. Anyway, so it's stuck in my hands now. And I don't know how. I got this from the Hashtag Sisters. That like if a slime melts or it's sticky or something, which this one melted in the car, in my friend's car. I told her to add really thick slime, and she had really thick slime. So she put it in here, and like today, like I did that exact what I did right here, like that. Like that. Oh my God, it was so satisfying. Oh my God, guys, comment down below if I'm satisfying. I just said that. Comment down below what time do you leave, at 1:50 or at 3:05 or 3:50. I leave at 3:05. That's what I do. Anyway, there it is. I'm sorry about the tone, guys. I'm sorry I said all those lying things too. Says that, oh my god, you want to go check out my Musical.ly? Go ahead. I'm going to put it in the comments below. It's called Cheer with Chriselli. Anyway, let's go to part 2. Bye, guys.